Did you know that after the age of 60, nearly 40% of older Americans suffer from chronic leg pain, and many are forced to rely on canes or walkers because they believe it is an unavoidable part of aging? But medical science has proven that leg pain is not the destiny of old age. In fact, with the right care, your legs can remain strong, flexible, and move as smoothly as they did at age 30. Simple daily habits can significantly improve blood circulation, reduce joint stiffness, and restore your natural ability to walk. I clearly remember one of my patients, James, 68 years old, who came to my clinic complaining that after just 5 minutes of walking, his calves would hurt so badly that he had to stop and rest. He believed this was simply the price of aging, but I disagreed. After he began applying the exact 6 daily habits that I'm about to share with you in this video, something remarkable happened. In just 8 weeks, he was able to walk continuously for 30 minutes in the park, and he felt his steps were lighter, quicker, and more confident than ever in his 50s. This story proves that after 60, your legs can be revitalized if you understand the right mechanisms and take proper action. So, what are the habits that changed James's life? And what is the key for you to eliminate leg pain, boost circulation, and keep your legs as healthy and resilient as they were in your youth? Stay tuned until the end of this video because I want to hear from you. Have you ever thought leg pain was just a normal sign of aging? Leave your comment below so we can discuss it together, and make sure you watch until the very end, because I will give you a step-by-step plan to turn theory into real results. Now, let's discover the first habit. The first habit, and also the most important foundation to eliminate leg pain after 60, is to practice light walking for at least 30 minutes every day. This is a simple activity, but delivers significant medical benefits. When you walk, the muscles in your calves act like a natural pump, pushing blood from the veins in your legs back toward the heart, thereby greatly improving blood circulation, reducing swelling, and relieving the heavy sensation in the legs. Research from the Arthritis Foundation has shown that older adults who walk 30 minutes daily can reduce the risk of hip fractures by up to 40% and lower the risk of premature death by 35% within 8 years. This is not only an exercise for joint health, but also a method to protect cardiovascular function, prevent osteoporosis, and strengthen the entire body. Regular walking also helps reduce joint stiffness, because as you move, the body produces more synovial fluid, which works like oil in a machine, lubricating the knees and ankles, making them more flexible and reducing morning stiffness. Geriatric specialists in the United States emphasize that just 150 minutes of light physical activity per week, equivalent to 30 minutes of walking 5 days a week, is enough to maintain muscle strength, increase walking speed, and reduce the risk of mobility loss in people over 60. If you are not yet used to walking, start with 10 to 15 minutes per day and gradually increase to 30 minutes. You can break it down into 3 shorter sessions, such as 10 minutes after each meal. This approach is easier to maintain and also helps regulate blood sugar and blood pressure effectively. The key is to make walking a fixed daily habit, just like brushing your teeth in the morning, so that your legs are always active and your blood circulation is consistently supported. Remember, light walking does not require fast speed or long distances. It only requires consistency, rhythm, and the right duration. After just a few weeks, you will feel a remarkable difference in the strength and flexibility of your legs. The second habit is performing leg stretches and joint warm-ups each morning, combined with balance and leg strengthening exercises. This is the foundation that allows people over 60 to maintain mobility, reduce pain, improve blood circulation, and keep their joints flexible. When you perform stretching exercises in the morning, your body is activated, blood flows more efficiently, and arterial stiffness is significantly reduced. A study from Colorado State University, 2021, showed that stretching at least 5 times per week for 6 weeks increased the range of motion by an average of 2.4 degrees per week in adults over 60. In particular, the American College of Sports Medicine, ACSM, recommends that older adults hold each stretch for 60 seconds rather than only 15 to 30 seconds, because deep, sustained stretching is what truly improves flexibility and reduces joint pain. This is a common mistake. Many people stretch too quickly and skip the essential holding time. Ideally, you should spend at least 15 minutes every morning or right after a walk to perform full-body stretches, focusing on the thighs, calves, and hips. This helps lubricate the joints, improve circulation, and significantly reduce morning stiffness. Along with stretching, it is essential to combine balance and strength training, commonly referred to as the Locotra program, which is widely used in mobility rehabilitation for seniors. The exercises are very simple. Stand on one leg for 1 minute and repeat 3 times for each side. Perform heel raises, 10 to 20 repetitions for 2-3 sets. Do light squats, 3 sets of 5 to 6 reps. And finally, forward lunges, 2 to 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps each. These movements require no special equipment, but deliver remarkable results in strengthening leg muscles, stabilizing the knees, improving walking speed, and most importantly, reducing the risk of falls, one of the most serious concerns for older adults. By maintaining this routine daily, your legs will become more flexible, muscle strength will be restored, knee pain will decrease, and you will feel more confident with every step. The combination of deep stretching and balance training not only provides immediate relief, but also builds a strong, sustainable foundation for long-term mobility, helping you maintain a steady, healthy gait well into older age. The third habit is practicing daily self-massage with simple tools. This is an easy yet highly effective method for individuals over 60 to reduce musculoskeletal pain, improve circulation, and maintain leg flexibility. Research published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy, 2020, confirmed that self-massage using basic tools, such as a tennis ball or a foam roller, can significantly increase blood flow to leg muscles and reduce pain caused by degeneration or muscle tightness. When you roll your muscles regularly, blood flow is stimulated, muscle fibers are relaxed, and stiffness after prolonged sitting or sleeping decreases substantially. The practice is simple to apply at home. Spend about 5 minutes on each area that needs care, including the calves, the soles of the feet, and the thighs. You can place a tennis ball under the sole of your foot and slowly roll it back and forth to stimulate small pressure points and peripheral blood vessels. For the calves and thighs, use a foam roller or massage roller placed under your legs, then gently roll up and down, focusing on areas of tension or soreness. The key is to apply moderate pressure, enough to feel relief but not so strong as to cause discomfort. However, there is one very important medical caution. Adults over 60 often experience reduced bone density and a higher risk of osteoporosis, which means they should avoid high-intensity devices such as massage guns. Strong vibration or percussive force can damage soft tissues or even cause fractures in weakened bones. The safest approach is to rely on manual massage or simple tools that allow full control over the applied pressure. With just 10 to 15 minutes of self-massage each day, you can relax your legs, boost circulation, reduce pain, and maintain the flexibility needed for walking. This is a small daily habit, but one with great long-term benefits, ensuring your legs remain strong, healthy, and fully supportive of your mobility after 60. The fourth habit is practicing a warm foot soak every night. This is one of the most effective natural methods for people over 60 to reduce leg pain, improve peripheral blood circulation, relax the muscles, and calm the nervous system. When you soak your feet in warm water, the heat dilates the blood vessels, increases local circulation, nourishes the muscles and joints of the lower limbs, and reduces stiffness after a long day of activity. Medical studies have demonstrated this effect. According to the Journal of Physiological Sciences, 2018, maintaining a water temperature between 37 to 40 degrees Celsius during a foot soak can increase local blood flow by 2 to 3 times, while also reducing chronic pain and improving mobility in older adults. Warmth not only acts on muscles and joints, but also stimulates peripheral nerve receptors, creating an overall sense of relaxation and promoting deeper, more restful sleep. This habit is also very easy to practice at home. Each evening, prepare a basin of warm water at about 37 to 40 degrees and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. To enhance the effect, you can add Epsom salt to the water. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, a mineral that helps relax the muscles, reduce spasms, and ease discomfort. This is also a simple way to absorb magnesium through the skin, maximizing the therapeutic benefits of foot soaking. When practiced consistently, a warm foot soak will noticeably reduce heaviness in the legs, improve blood flow, relax muscles, and enhance the quality of sleep. It is not only a basic method of foot care, but also a comprehensive therapy that is safe, natural, and easy to apply at home for anyone wanting to keep their legs healthy and flexible after 60. The fifth habit is maintaining a balanced diet with proper supplementation. This is an essential foundation if you want to rebuild muscle, support joint health, keep bones strong, and reduce pain during movement. After age 60, the body's ability to synthesize protein and absorb micronutrients decreases significantly, leading to muscle loss, brittle bones, and reduced nerve sensitivity. Therefore, a scientific diet combined with appropriate supplementation is crucial to preserving strength and mobility in the legs. Research has clearly shown the benefits. A trial in women with an average age of 71 found that combining resistance training with protein intake of at least 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day improved leg strength, especially in the quadriceps, resulting in faster and more stable walking. Nutritional recommendations for preventing locomotive syndrome, a condition of declining mobility, include consuming 700-800 milligrams of calcium daily, along with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and vitamin K to enhance absorption and strengthen bone density. In practice, the calculation is simple. If you weigh 70 kilos, you need about 56 grams of protein per day. This equals 2 to 3 servings of protein-rich foods such as eggs, lean meat, fish, milk, or legumes. At the same time, combine natural calcium sources from milk, cheese, and leafy greens, while ensuring adequate vitamin D from morning sunlight or fortified foods. Vitamin K can be obtained from green vegetables, broccoli, and fermented soy products. The synergy of these nutrients ensures strong bones, flexible joints, and minimizes pain and discomfort. Another often overlooked but critical factor for seniors is vitamin B12 and iron. Deficiencies in these nutrients can lead to anemia, causing pain, numbness, weak leg muscles, and reduced walking endurance. Statistics show that about 15% of Americans over 60 are deficient in vitamin B12, significantly increasing the risk of peripheral nerve damage. Proper supplementation with vitamin B12 has been proven to improve walking speed and reduce nerve pain. To ensure safety, annual blood tests are recommended. If deficiency is confirmed, B12 can be supplemented through lozenges, sublingual tablets, or injections. Iron intake can be increased through iron-rich foods such as lean red meat, liver, beans, and seeds, or with supplements if prescribed by a physician. By maintaining a diet rich in protein, calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin K, and monitoring and supplementing vitamin B12 and iron as needed, you are building a simple yet powerful strategy to protect your muscles, joints, and nervous system. This nutritional key will help your legs stay pain-free, mobile, and strong well into your senior years. The sixth habit is using foot-supportive shoes or sandals. This may seem like a small detail, but it plays a critical role in protecting your feet and the entire musculoskeletal system for those over 60. When you walk in proper footwear, the pressure on your knees, hips, and even your spine is distributed more evenly, which helps limit pain during movement. On the other hand, poorly designed shoes can increase stress on the joints, cause pain to occur more frequently, and gradually slow down your walking speed. Modern medicine has provided clear evidence. A study of more than 1,600 adults over 60 published in Arthritis Care and Research, 2018, found that using orthopedic shoes reduced knee pain by 22% and improved average walking speed by 10%. This means that simply changing to the right pair of shoes can help you walk more comfortably, reduce joint pressure, and maintain long-term mobility. In practical terms, the application is very simple. Choose shoes with arch support insoles, cushioned heels to reduce impact when stepping, and non-slip soles to ensure safety with every stride. For those who walk frequently, orthopedic shoes or medical sandals are also an optimal choice, as they help balance posture, stabilize the ankle joints, and reduce the risk of falls when walking on slippery surfaces. By maintaining the habit of wearing proper supportive footwear, you will notice significant changes. Less joint pain, steadier steps, faster walking pace, and renewed confidence in movement. This is a simple habit, but one that brings lasting benefits, helping your legs stay healthy, strong, and flexible, truly accompanying you on every journey after the age of 60. To turn the knowledge you have just heard into real results for your legs, you need a clear action plan. The first step is to get a comprehensive checkup to rule out peripheral artery disease, PAD. If you often experience calf pain when walking and have to stop to rest, this is not a normal sign of aging, but may be a circulation problem that needs medical evaluation. Early screening will help eliminate dangerous risks and ensure that your exercise habits are safe. The second step is to adjust according to your physical condition. If your current walking speed is below 0.8 meters per second, start gently with short walking sessions and simple Locotra exercises. As your body adapts, you can gradually increase the time and intensity. The key is not to compare yourself with others, but to focus on your small daily progress. The third step is to track your metrics. Write down your walking time each day, the number of seconds you hold a stretch, and the number of squats or heel raises you complete. This not only makes your progress visible, but also motivates you to stay consistent. When you look back and see that you increased from 10 minutes of walking to 30 minutes, or from 5 squats to 15, you will feel the true reward of your effort. The fourth step is to reevaluate after 4 to 8 weeks. If you find your body adapting easily, add more challenges. If you still feel pain or difficulty, scale back and be patient. After 60, the body needs time to recover, and perseverance is the determining factor. And now, the most important message I want to emphasize. Your legs are not limited by age, but by the habits you maintain every day. By applying 6 simple habits, walking, stretching, and balance training, muscle massage, warm foot soaks, proper nutrition with supplementation, and supportive footwear, you will notice your legs becoming more flexible, your circulation improving, your joints less stiff, and your mobility restored to a youthful level. If you truly want to protect your leg health after 60, start today. And if you found the knowledge in this video valuable, subscribe to Senior Health Zone so you won't miss future medical insights designed to help you live healthier and more confidently every day. Leave a comment and tell me, which habit is most challenging for you, and where will you begin your change? Your answer will not only motivate you, but could also inspire thousands of other seniors watching this channel. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue building a journey of aging that is strong, confident, and full of vitality.